My MA Psychology, IGNOU MA Psychology, MA PC successfully in June 2022. Recently, I got this PG certificate. I am 59 years old, retired mechanical engineer, and I'm useful for this. How I complete my. Hi friends, I'm Sheikh Mira. How are you? I have completed my MA Psychology, IGNOU MA Psychology, MA PC successfully in June 2022. Recently, I got this PG certificate. I am 59 years old, retired mechanical engineer, and I'm useful for this. How I complete my PG degree. The tips useful to the next generation. That's why I'm making this video. Hi friends, I'm starting my PG. I'm starting my PG at my PG in 2017 July batch. My enrollment number is 175012642. This due to Corona effect, it takes 5 years to complete my PG degree. 2 3 years I didn't attend my due to the my job restrictions and Corona restrictions. That's why it takes maximum period. IGNOU also giving only 5 years. After that, no renewal and not there. So in first year subjects common for all MA psychology in MA psychology. In second year, my specialization is industrial and organizational psychology. I also given my a grade card and PG certificate for your reference. I will do the videos one by one. My how I complete my exams and how I complete my assignments. How I prepare to my this MA psychology exams. I'm at Hyderabad. Hyderabad. My in first year assignments are common for all in MA psychology. Assignments. Assignments. I submitted my assignments with my handwriting. That is the rule. That is the condition of the assignments. In single ruled papers with the spiral books. In single ruled or white A4 white papers. Single ruled is gives a good handwriting and it takes a lot of time and strain. I completed my PG degree also. This I submitted in spiral books also. The IGNOU MS Psychology program offers courses in various psychologies, including industrial and organizational psychology. Other two is counseling psychology, clinical psychology. There are also graduates of this program may be qualified for a variety of jobs in India, including positions in human resources and organizational development or more. This will help to the new students. That's why I'm making this video and also the Indira Gandhi National Open University offers an NMS psychology that is designed to provide students with a broad understanding of the field of psychology. The program covers topics such as cognitive psychology, social psychology, lot of things. I am giving a next video in developmental psychology and more. There are many resources available online that can help you learn more about IGNOU MA psychology program. For example, you can find videos on YouTube that provide an overview of the program. You can also find study materials for the program and websites like IGNOU Students June. This will help you. I will give you lot of strain. That's why for exams, it gives more time more to writing with my books. One by one, I will explain in first year exams. I will give you a lot of things for your improvement in exams, for your successful completion for the PG degree. That's my motto. Okay, thank you very much, friends. That's why now I complete the video. I give in Hindi and also I'm basically from Hyderabad person. I know Telugu and English, Hindi. So please like and share subscribe my video and comment my video. That will encourage me a lot of more videos. I am the that's why. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you.